Hello, you're welcome to CBTech Incorporations. Um, I am Banari once again. I've come away with the second episode of MS Word Made Simple for Beginners, Level 1. If you have not watched our previous lesson, I've left the link in this comment section. I will urge you to visit it and have a look at our first lesson so that you will not miss out any of the upcoming lessons. Previously, we looked at the MS Word environment, and we want to go further to looking at some other things in Word. So today we'll look at creating a template. Having looked at the other components within the Word environment or the MS Word interface, we will want to see how we can create a document using a template. Previously, we talked about a template. So we'll look at how we can create a document using a template. Now, but before we move on to that, previously we talked about the quick access toolbar, and I just want to add one something that you need to a tip that you need to take into consideration when you are working with quick access toolbars. Now, when you come to this other side where we say that is the quick access toolbar, the tools here, you could select one of them by way of using the Alt key from your keyboard. The Alt key from your keyboard. Now, in using the Alt key from your keyboard, what you need to do is that anytime you press the Alt key, you are given some numbers on the screen. So when you look at this one, in order of arrangement, we can say that this is 1, the save button is 1, the undo is 2, the redo is the 3, and that of the table is 4. So if you want to select the save command, after pressing the Alt key, you press 1, and that means the computer will want to save the work for you. Okay, and if you press the Alt and press 2, that means you want to undo. 2, that's number 2 from your keyboard, that means you want to undo. So basically, that is how the quick access toolbar works when we are using the alternate key from your keyboard. Now, we want to now move further to look at creating a document using a template. Now, in creating a document using a template, what you need to do is you you just have to. We know that creating that now the document. If you have opened your document, you go to File, and then you go to New, and then the new comes in this form. You have new here, and we said this is a blank document already, and these are the templates you have. The templates that you have. So we want to look at creating a template using this particular student report. So we'll click on it, and then Word automatically launches or opens a document with a pre-designed format for you. A pre-designed format for you. So in creating this student report, we are offered with a pre-designed um, report. So what we have to do here is we'll give a title to the report, that is the report title, the report subtitle, the date on which we want to probably make such a report, and then also we have some other um, sections within the report that we can take into consideration. So we have get started right away, and here these are subheadings that I said we could edit them. We could add our own by way of editing. That is, you either add something or you take it out. You take it out. So in doing this, we can start from the heading, sorry, the first page. So we have the report title where we can say this is um, maybe CBTech Incorporations. So maybe CBTech Incorporation. Then we have the report site title. We can give it a subtitle like um, uh, for example, student report. Then from there, we can look at the author. The author is here. Maybe let me put my name there. And then we can have the course title. Probably we can decide to say um, tutorials, or probably online tutorial. And the date, we have an inbuilt date or calendar. So if you click on this arrow, it shows you the calendar. You can go further to pick it. You can choose any of the dates. If it is today's date already, it has selected that. Now, so if it is today, you click on today and then the date is inserted for you. We can decide to change this picture, but that is not our interest for now. Then we can go further again to this portion. If we think get started away is part of what we want to do, we can leave it. But if we think that it's not part of it, you can just click. And as you've clicked, it will give you the chance to at least edit. So in editing, what it means is that once you've clicked and once it has selected the whole of this, anything you want to type will do away with what you had already on the page. So that is how reports using a template is being done. So probably we could have headings, and the headings could have may have to do with maybe student performance. We may also have maybe another heading that has to do with students' records, students' relationship, skills and development, new ways of let's say students adapting into new ideas and all those things. Then at the end of the day, we can have our reports being uh, submitted in a very nice way. So at the end, when you are done with whatever thing that you want to put forth, you just go ahead and then save it. And in saving, we can now use probably want to save. So we just press the Alt key and we have save from here. We'll press 1. When we press 1, it will give us the chance to save our work. So after saving, we can now have our document or our report. So this is how we can create a template using this is how we can create a document using a template. So if you want to print, you can have it printed, and this is how it's going to look like when you decide to print your document. This is how it's going to look like. Thank you once again for this opportunity. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Thank you.
CBTech.Inc. is a technology company for all affiliated IT works, such as graphic design, website and mobile app design, bulk SMS, ICT training, e-commerce. CBTech.Inc. Mission, service, and integrity.